It is so painful to see how ladies go through pains when they are on their period. So I'm led in my heart to make this prayer for you people. Father Lord, any lady under the sound of my voice, I pray that from today henceforth, you will not see your period again. Your period will not see you. You will not see your period. You both will be far apart from each other. So that from now henceforth, that period, that pain, you will see no more. I pray for you under the sound of my voice right now. You will see your period no more. Your period will not see you. You both will be far from